rigged up my ramps with 1.5 inch steel, I think. Keeps them from sticking out when you're trying to drive up on them. Here she is. Fucker's leaking off from the top. See if we can get her done today. That's the petcock we can drain it from. Take all the motherfuckers off. Could have drained it through the petcock, but I didn't have the patience for that bullshit. I just took that bottom hose off and let it all pour out. Well, I tried to catch it. It was not too well, but it was pretty good. If this fucker gets stuck a little bit, use a screwdriver, be gentle, not to rip that shit. Screwdriver comes in handy to pop harnesses off, just be careful. And take a lot of pictures of where you take shit off of, comes in handy. One on the bottom, one on the wide, goes on the top. 12mm socket for the top braces, just 2. $10mm socket for the fan bolts. Four of these motherfuckers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yatch. I like using channel locks to take these stupid hose clamps off. Fucker number 2. Number 2. Get that bitch out the way. There it is. To take the temperature sending unit harness off, all you need to do is squeeze down on it and pull it. It comes off pretty easy. That's how it comes off. This is where your temperature sensing unit goes. Seems to have a little gasket so for Teflon. I don't think I see none. I'm gonna fucking connect this bitch, which I think is a sending unit, to that. Cut off. Load. Normal. And both cut out. 251,565 miles. Still pushing strong as fuck.